Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook and Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out to 20 nautical miles, including Monmouth Beach, Sandy Hook Reef, and Sea Bright until 4 p.m. 3:14 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over Sea Bright, or about over Atlantic Highlands, moving northeast at 10 knots. The gusts from this storm were spreading southeast as the storm lifted northeast. This strong thunderstorm will be near 3 nautical miles northwest of Sandy Hook Reef by 3:30 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck as possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following marine location. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. The coastal waters forecast from San